यहाँ से स्टार्ट करी मैं बेटी इसको तो होस्ट अपन today we will see one of your experiment from your syllabus. The aim of your experiment is so we can directly use thermometer for determining wet bulb, dry bulb temperature. First, we will see what is the difference between wet bulb temperature and dry bulb temperature. When the bulb of your thermometer is dry in dry condition, the temperature is known as wet bulb temperature. Your thermometer is in wet condition and you are taking that temperature, that is known as uh, wet bulb temperature. Okay, and we are having one of a device which is known as psychometer. So in psychometer, we can directly determine wet bulb and dry bulb temperature. What is significance of determining these temperatures, wet bulb and dry bulb? So by determining these two temperatures and by calculating the difference between these two temperatures, we can determine percentage relative humidity of air. Okay. So first we will determine these two temperatures and we will calculate the difference between two, and this difference between percentage humidity of air. Okay. So let's start with our experiment. This is your psychometer device. So this is your psychometer device. This device is known as psychometer. First is, if you turn this one is dry bulb thermometer and this one is known as wet bulb thermometer because a cloth is attached at the bottom of your thermometer. So we can fill water into this chamber and we can consider this one thermometer as a wet bulb thermometer. So let's start with our experiment. I have filled water into wet bulb thermometer. Now wait for some seconds. We will allow to rotate it and then we will record two temperatures. This one is dry from right hand side and from left hand side it is wet bulb temperature. So let's see readings. Dry thermometer is showing reading of 27 degrees Celsius and reading of wet bulb thermometer is 26 degrees Celsius. So we will record it for 3 times. I am taking 3 readings and I am noting it down on board. So I have took 3 readings and now I am calculating average of 3 readings. First, the average of dry bulb temperature after 3 reading is 26.5 degrees Celsius. Sorry, not 26, it is 27, 27.5 degrees Celsius. And the average of three readings of wet bulb temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Let's calculate difference between dry bulb and wet bulb temperature. T1, we are denoting dry bulb as T1 and wet bulb as T2. So T1 is 27.5 minus 26. You will got reading of 1. So the difference between dry bulb and wet bulb temperature is 1.5 degrees Celsius. Now we can calculate relative humidity from this difference by using standard chart or standard humidity table. ठीक है? Humidity chart. You can see this reading hygrometric table, and into next line what is written, table of wet and dry bulb thermometer reading with corresponding percentage of humidity. So we can calculate percentage humidity by referring this chart. So first, if you see the columns, see this column, this one column, into first column, dry bulb percentage is given from -1 to 60 degrees Celsius. And if you see this row, into this row, depression of wet bulb, into this row, depression of wet bulb is given. Okay? So if you directly see this chart, you will you will be able to calculate the relative humidity. So the difference is found to be 1.5 degrees Celsius. So I am calculating this difference. I am referring this chart, and for 1.5 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity is given as, so from this standard humidity chart, for temperature 27 degrees Celsius and difference 1.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity from the chart is found to be 96 degrees Celsius. Wait, let me check once. Okay, the relative humidity from the chart is found to be 92%. And this is how relative humidity is calculated. Wait. So by calculating this dry bulb temperature and difference between two temperatures, we can record humidity chart, and the relative humidity was found to be 92%. Okay?